In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade stations in Workshop in Arc Raiders. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm an upgrade without second-guessing anything. First, make sure you're in Speranza. This is the hub area where you manage your gear and stations. If you're not there already, head to Speranza so you can access everything you need in one place. Once you're in the hub, look toward the top of your screen for the Workshop option. It's part of the main interface, and opening it will take you to the area where all your workstations are organized. Inside the workshop, you'll see the different stations available to you. Click the workstation you want to upgrade. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right one, especially if you're focusing on a particular playstyle or crafting path. Upgrading the station you use most often is usually the best move, and choosing intentionally helps you spend your resources wisely. After selecting the station, look along the top of the screen. You'll see several tabs for that workstation's options, one of which is labeled Level Up. Go ahead and click Level Up. This view is where you can preview exactly what's needed for the next upgrade and what the benefits might be, depending on the station. Now, pay attention to the Required Resources section. You'll see a list of materials and amounts needed to complete the upgrade. The game will show you what you already have and what you're missing, so give it a careful look. If your totals meet or exceed the requirements, you're good to go. If not, don't worry. Nothing changes until you confirm, so you can back out and return later once you've gathered more. If you do have everything you need, simply click Level Up to confirm the upgrade. The resources will be consumed, and the workstation's level will increase immediately. You should see a confirmation on screen, and the station will now reflect its upgraded status. From here, you can continue using the station as normal, benefiting from the new level without leaving the workshop. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Double-check the resource list before confirming, since upgrades can't be undone and materials are valuable. Also, consider the order you upgrade stations in. Prioritizing the ones you interact with most often can make your overall progression feel faster and more efficient. That's all there is to it. Be in Speranza, open the workshop, select your station, go to Level Up, confirm you have the required resources, and complete the upgrade. Simple, clear, and effective.